Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here for sale a modern and tastily designed three-story house nestled in the heart of cool Malvern, St. Elizabeth. It is available to fulfill the dream of the executive or returning resident seeking to establish permanent home in a peaceful and pristine environment. The main dwelling occupies the second and third floors. The third floor contains the master bedroom with ensuite bathroom along with two other bedrooms, a bathroom and a family room. The second floor consists of a large living room, large kitchen, TV room, study and laundry. The lower floor is a self-contained one-bedroom flat. The property, which is just under half acre, is endowed with an enclosed garage, three water tanks, and a storeroom. The grounds are well fruited with a nice garden. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. asking price for this house is Jamaican 39 million or US $253.3 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.